At No Gap Installation, we've built our brand on quality, innovation and scale, delivering insulation and energy efficiency across Victoria. Our 3,700 plus square metre logistics hub in Epping connects all major arterial roads, enabling faster statewide delivery. With dedicated goods and receivable pickup zones, every project runs on time and on budget. Holding nearly 500,000 square metres of insulation and a full range of energy upgrade equipment under one roof, we deliver strength at scale, completing over 50,000 square metres of installs and major energy upgrades every week. Welcome to No Gap Installation's Future Energy Division. Over 100 trades and operations experts delivering heat pumps, split systems and full energy upgrades with seamless precision. With a dedicated fleet, professional drivers and warehouse staff, we deliver on time. Whether it's wholesale, commercial or retail clients, we've got you covered. Proudly Victorian owned, supporting local clubs, skilled jobs and a sustainable future for all. No Gap Installation, No Gap Future Energy. Future ready solutions delivered today.